light, cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices, everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. My movements, this bad beats bad every day. I know the look of your face, bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray, do you regain your faith? Bad killer, don't be somebody that don't take my energy from your cardula. In my pastor say, I be my healer, everything I desire. I'm gonna receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para. I'm a mind digger, I go just follow my lead. I know they blow trees, so you know you below. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely.
Hi everyone, I'm on my way to run errands quickly and meet up with a friend by the gateway, so I'll just take you guys along the minute I arrive there. I feel a little bit sick. The flu was trying me for a day or two, but this is on Moba. And yeah, we'll talk when I get that side, and I'll show you my fit when I arrive. But I'm in a dress, right? So let us go. Yes,
I know they blow trees, so you know you below. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, I've seen that way, believe I do with the word I've seen her. Yeah, nobody will give over. Not the Lord that they go far. Who's the boy that they bar? That's something to shit.
Bam. Hello everybody, I hope you guys are still good. I couldn't take you along when I was at the gateway because everything just ended up being hectic, and even the grocery items that I got, I ended up getting them like super late. Thank goodness retail stores close late, so namanje I'm arriving home late again. So I'm gonna do this small grocery haul very fast because I'm sure lighting is not the greatest. Like I'm literally using a flashlight, so forgive me for that, please. But thank you so much, and I hope I did the intro properly. I love you. If you're here, please do subscribe and join the happy family. All right, let me just jump straight into it. And guys, I got lean mints, got jumbo fresh milk, double cream plain yogurt. Oh, that plug was from K Republic. Got the beef sizzlers. These are very convenient for breakfast, or if you're home during the day and you want something that is just like fast. Okay, that's almost the last of that bag. And then I bought pork chops. Yeah. Butternuts. Let me just bring this second bag closer. Ooh, blueberries. I want to be making girly breakfasts, because chow. Okay, I got pears. Where child? Okay, let's put them on top there. I'll sort it out. avocado, O2. Put that there. Okay, my fruit salad was like stuck. So that's the fruit salad. Got myself peppers because I want to be cooking with y'all. And last but not least, in this bag, a green vegetable medley. So it's just broccoli and baby marrows. Make green peas in. Okay, let me get this other bag. It's all the way down there. Garlic roll. Yes. Everybody say hello, K Republic. She is influencing me, Kesan. This is the berry muesli. It's the best of the best, according to her. It's the first time Gizama the Woolworths one, so I hope it is worth the purchase. Kesan, and I took the big one. I didn't see a smaller one. I'm not sure if they have a smaller size, but I can't wait to try this out with y'all for breakfast. Let me just put it on this side because man, child. Got myself a bottle of wine. I like the sweet red for home chillers. Okay, let's just put this aside. And then lastly, in here, I don't know why, but I got eggs and they're right at the bottom, hence the other stuff was starting to wet it. So I'm just gonna quickly unpack all of that stuff. And also guys, these honey chocolate chip cookies. I already opened these. These are the best cookies I've ever had. Like ungawa tata because they look like like they just look like these cheap biscuits that we used to buy back then. But the slaps, like a bar one cake, like it's an actual cake. I can't explain how the chocolate chips just melt in your mouth. Sana. So Woolworths will be my challenge in the weight loss journey that I want to do. But yeah, anyways guys, let me say good night to y'all. I'm so sorry that I'm speaking and eating, and pack everything, and then yeah, we're gonna catch up in the morning when I make breakfast. Bye, good night. Good morning guys. I hope you guys are good. I am not feeling the greatest. Yo. Oh, I'm not feeling the greatest. I just got out of bed. You know when you feel like a bed is getting you exhausted, like I've been in bed for a day. Yesterday I tried to push through the feeling, you know, it started on Friday. So it started on Saturday, sorry. So on Sunday I woke up and then I decided, let me steam with onions, garlic, ginger. That was a suggestion from my cousin. Just like it usually helps ease like this feeling, because I've got a bit of a feeling like especially up here, and I needed to be able to feel like I can breathe more nicely or freely. Anyways, my nose is like terribly blocked. I think that's the most uncomfortable feeling because I don't feel a lot of the flu symptoms. It's almost like a hay fever because it's my head, it's the headache, and then my nose is blocked, and then that's it. A cold, like body pains or most of, you know. Okay, and now today I added coughing to the list. Okay, so it's full on flu. Okay, so I feel terrible, and I was supposed to go and do my hair today, but obviously I don't want to be around people because flu is the most contagious within the first 3 days of having it. and it makes sense that if you have your option to stay at home, and plus I don't feel like somebody touching my hair, and you know, I'll be busy while I feel like this. Like, I want to look pretty, but not that bad, you know. I literally want to look good, but I will just now wake up and go and do my hair, although I'm feeling like this, you know. And the sad part is that here in Durban, today is Monday, it's supposed to be my posting day. And yes, disotin, like literally, I don't know, because I was gonna say, okay, instead of us being out, because I was gonna go and do my hair, and then once I'm out, I usually have coffee somewhere, or I'll have lunch or whatever, so take you guys along and then chit chat and close. But no, I'm home. I could cook, ne? But eating is strength, you know, literally needs strength, like you. And the cleaning as well, it needs strength, but at least it is all. Yesterday I did washing. I'm so proud of the girlie. I did washing, bruh. Like, I did washing. Yo, go through. I know it sounds like such a spoiled brat thing, but washing is my like least favorite chore to do. Excuse me, I used to think like I don't like doing dishes. No, washing takes the cake. Yo, like yo. But when it comes to cleaning around the house, when it comes to cooking and making an effort around the house with other things, I think I enjoy that more. I think I'm more for that. So yeah, I cleaned like a lot throughout the past 2 days, and then I'm like, oh, it doesn't feel clean enough when the washing basket is like full. I'm like, okay, come here. And I did the washing, and I was getting to the point where, you see, in Durban it's raining today, Monday, low posting day, and a little bit tomorrow on Tuesday. But today, for now, it's still a bit sunny. Apparently it's gonna to rain around 1, 2, but it doesn't look like that. It's just the forecast said that. But nje mangibheka phandle shame liphumile lithe ba ilanga, and I'm here. I'm gonna make some, excuse me, something to eat. I'm trying to think, what do I feel like? You see, kuyakhanya nje, kuyakhanya futhi kakhulu. Yo, wow, child, langena kabuhlungu nalelo langa. So yeah, that's what's happening with that. Yo, son, I'm going through the most. Namehlo uyawabona njani? Like, I'm going through it, like going through it, son, you know. But I shall conquer, and I shall be fine. So yeah, I just wanted to greet you guys and tell you guys basically, you know. Yeah, and it's morning, and although I'm not feeling too good, and I'm just noting down my thoughts. I usually do that in Jakes, and it just is a routine I am well part of. Yeah, and maybe the next video that just gave me an idea, to share my morning routine and my nighttime routine. It's nothing hectic, but it is something special that just helps me keep mentally healthy, or just stable and good, and helps me feel spiritually happy or fulfilled. And then the last part also helps just my body feel healthy and good for what's most. Okay, Nancy flu, so I can't do that part because it's a bit of a aerobic ndondone before I go to bed, because I don't wake up early, which is what I want to change. I usually wake up more 7, 7:15, like those are my times. So I'm reading. I added to my reading, and you guys didn't even reply if I should speak about what I'm reading. I added in a 5 a.m. club, like Vuwa early, the benefits of waking up early, guys. And I've been hearing about that, like even about read it a long time ago from the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People or Efficient People. But either way, I've been reading Lendo, which it's important to wake up early, and maybe I should. I definitely should, but I've been talking for long. I am with my life right now, like trying to get myself something to eat. I don't know if I even have appetite. I'm probably gonna do oats and then take a shower and then gibon, because what in the world is happening in my life right now. Anyways, I hope you guys are good. If you're feeling bad or have flu or just feeling like you're in a dark space mentally, or anything that makes you not feel like you are at your optimum or at your greatest, I hope you conquer that. I hope something in you reminds you that you're strong enough to handle anything, and you get up and you just fight one day at a time. Even if it's just getting up, do that. We'll talk.
You see through the storm, take me as I am.